Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you another example of classes and objects in Java. Now let's first create our class here. Let's create a class test1a. Okay. Now under test1a or under our class, we're going to create two variables a and then b. Okay. Then we're going to have here two methods. The first method is we're going to use to set our data, which will require two arguments. And the second method is we're going to show our data. Show there our data. Okay. Let's write first our set data. Public void set data. Then it will require us two parameters a and then b. Next is we're going to assign the value here. A is equals to a and b is equals to b. Now we're going to display our data using our show data method. So public void show data. Then we're just going to display out our value. To do that, we need to display as out value of a is plus a, and then as out value of b is plus b. Okay. So that this is our we have here the set data and then the show data methods. Now let's write or create our object. So public static void main. We're going to create an object now. To do that, we need to use here test1. Test1a object 1 is equals to new test1a open and close parenthesis semicolon. Then let's assign a value using our set data method. Object 1 dot set data. Let's assign 1 and then 2. And let's display our data here. Object 1 dot show data. Okay, that's it. Now let's run our program. Right click, run. And we have our output here. Oh, what happened? So we assigned value of 1 and 2 to our variables a, but it returned 0. Okay, so what's the problem here? Java got confused when we initialize here a. Okay, when we initialize here a, Java was assuming that the value is the same. So if you notice here, we have here int a and int b. It's also the same as int a and int b here, even though we have here int and int b. So what happened here is Java got confused. Got confused whether the instance on the left hand side of the operator. Okay, so because we're not sure whether which value here will hold the answer. Okay, to solve that option, what we're going to do here is we're going to use this operator. Okay, to solve this problem, we're going to use the this operator. So the this operator is allows us to reference variable, okay, in the current object. To do that, we just simply add here this dot a and then this dot b. there. Okay, so that Java would not be confused whether we have here the instance of a variable and then which one will hold the value. So if you run our program again, it should display as the value of A and then B. Now let's create another object here, or let's set another value, object 1, that set data, let's say 12, 20, 34, or 300 there. And then let's display out the value, object 1 that show data. And let's run it again. We have now 34 and 23, or 23 and 34. Okay? So here's another example of using classes and creating objects in Java. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.